What's going on, folks? Mark, DLUX Motorsports. Today I'm bringing you a quick video on this 2011 Dodge Ram 3500 6.7 Cummins. I'm not going to go into all the particulars. All that stuff will be directly on my website at www.DLUX-motorsports.com. It'll give you the full breakdown of all the options that were done to the truck. This is just a quick video for those guys that are out of state that kind of want to see it more in person versus pictures. So again, this is a 2011 straight out of Texas. Undercarriage, super nice, no rust, no issues. Obviously you can tell it's got tons of upgrades done to it. I have a decent amount of the build sheet of when it was originally built. It was only built about three and a half years ago. The whole exterior is fully wrapped. Underneath, it's the liquid silver color from Dodge. So if you're not big on the flat gray wrap, the paint underneath should be like new. It should be very, very nice. Like I said, this was wrapped 3 years ago. The paint was in good condition prior based on what the previous owner said. So again, if you don't like the wrap, easily removable. We would be more than happy to remove it for you too if necessary. You could see, simple upgrades: bumpers, exhaust, rear tail lights, special emblems, American Force wheels. I believe this was on a Mcgaughys kit, if I remember correctly. Dual front shocks, dual stabilizers up front. Sorry, I'm trying to do the video. It's like super high sun right now, so it's like the worst time to do it. But anyway, this should give you a better idea. You got a couple small blemishes on the truck. There's one right here. It's a mark into the actual wrap itself, and a couple spots right there. And then you can see just some basic rock chipping that you would expect. If the wrap wasn't here, obviously it would be harder into the paint, so the wrap has saved some of that. And then same thing, you're going to have some basic rock chipping underneath here at the very bottom. Again, very common, very normal for this type of truck running wide like that. Interior is immaculate. Like I said, it's a fully loaded Laramie. So leather, heated seats, heated steering wheel, the whole goodies. Carpets are super clean. The leather's still in really, really good shape. Mechanically, it just went through our service shop over at DLUX 2, my performance shop, where we actually do a lot of the lift kits and do service on our own trucks and for regular customers. So mechanically, very, very nice. Doesn't need a thing. Runs and drives the way it's supposed to. Injectors are good. All your front end suspension stuff is good. Tranny shifts solid the way it's supposed to be. Again, leather in the back, just as nice. So another gorgeous truck that we're just releasing for sale. It'll be ready here in the next day or two. Actually, maybe later today, depends. But anyway, this is the 2011 Dodge Ram 3500 Crew Cab Long Bed. And again, go to the website, www.DLUX-motorsports.com. That'll give you the spot of where everything is for the upgrades. Individualized, it'll give you every single thing on there. If you got any questions, call us direct, 540-898-1300. And if you're watching this video via YouTube, in the bottom right corner, you click that subscribe button. It'll allow you to get notifications when we post new trucks for sale and new vids. So anyway, give us a call. Any questions? DLUX Motorsports. Till next time.